Hey, welcome back to Fit and Fast, guys. The healthy up to fuel your brain. Okay, so I am loving the brain twister challenges you guys sending me. I just got a new one. Okay, so I have to call out from A to Z, leaving every alternate alphabet. No, I think I'm going to leave out A. I'll start with B. Okay, B, D, F, G, no, I, oh, I can't do it. You guys try it. Already set up for your banging chocolate fondant today. A very basic, but the best classic recipe you'll ever get. Chocolate, butter, egg yolk, flour. Chocolate is the superfood for this recipe. So first up, we're gonna start off with the chocolate. That goes in a double boiler. There's a pan on medium heat. So I'm just gonna wait for the chocolate to melt. So I'm gonna go in with my eggs. So you wanna add just a bit of sugar and cream them nicely. So guys, they look pretty done. The chocolate have just started to melt. I'm gonna go in with my butter now. The love for chocolate is the purest form of love. Such nice and shiny mixture. It's spot on. Look at the shine here. I'm gonna mix this with my eggs and sugar. Oh, this looks so tempting. Now I'm gonna go in with the flour. Just gonna fold it nicely. It comes together, gets a nice height, and stays together with really melting chocolate sauce inside. Guys, just the final touch. I'm gonna add a little sea salt. Dark chocolate and sea salt makes it a little sweeter. Surprising, but it's true. So guys, the mix looks good. Guys, you can put this in a piping bag. Keep it in the fridge if you're using it the next day. Or pipe it right now. It's easy to work with because it's nice and thick. I'm going to fill it up right now because I cannot wait to eat this again. So guys, this is gonna go in a preheated oven at 175 for 11 minutes. Yes, looks good. Going in with the almonds now. And a good icing sugar. Shall we check how this is looking? Guys, this looks brilliant. I'm gonna eat it now. I need to be more alert. Go take a quick look at the recap.
Add a bar of dark chocolate into a double boiler bowl to melt. Take another bowl, add egg yolks, sugar and whisk it. Add butter into the melted chocolate and pour it into the egg mixture and stir it well. Now add all-purpose flour and give it a good mix. Add sea salt to taste. Put this mixture into a piping bag and pipe it into molds. Keep the molds in a preheated oven at 175 degrees for 11 minutes. Take the molds out and place the chocolate fondant in a serving plate. Top it with sliced almonds and some icing sugar, and your dark chocolate fondant is ready.
Guys, this is the end of a show, and end of an epic season. The great journey I got to share with you. All my recipes, all my knowledge which I gathered from the doctor, all the viewers, and I really cannot thank you enough for sending all those brain teasers and twister challenges. Above all the love you guys sent us, that has been so good and so motivating. Until then, you know what to do. Eat fresh, get seasonal ingredients, use smart techniques, and let your brain chill.